Hey guys, okay, so in my last video, the lipstick swatch video, whoa, I had actually broken one of my lipsticks and I thought I'd do a video for you guys to learn how to fix a broken lipstick. So first things first, take a piece of Kleenex to remove the lipstick off of the lipstick tube. And then you want to take a lighter or a match or any type of thing that makes fire. And you're going to melt the lipstick that's inside of the tube. Just a little heat because it does melt quickly. And then you're going to take the broken piece of lipstick and you're just going to reattach it basically. As you're reattaching the lipstick to the lipstick tube, press it down just gently. You don't want to smush it, but just gently. Then you're going to want to take the fire and melt the outer corners of the lipstick to merge those together. As you're doing this, rotate the lipstick tube so the lipstick does not fall down on the side of the tube. That way you can get a clear coating around the crack of the lipstick. Now you want to clean up the lipstick, just to smooth it out and make it round again. Then twist the lipstick back in the tube slightly. Do it carefully. Now you're going to clean up the inner side of the lipstick tube. And there you guys have it. Your lipstick is back to normal. And there's some burning that is on the lip portion of the lipstick. You can always just wipe that off. It's fine.